How to delete from iCloud on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete from iCloud on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if we want to delete from iCloud on our iPhone, we can simply open the settings application here, and once we launch the settings app, we can just tap your Apple ID profile from the very top, and then from here you can simply go to iCloud. Now even though you turn off iCloud backup now, everything that you have backed up in the past, you might want to get rid of it. So what you can do is over here under iCloud backup, you'll be able to see any sort of backups if you have made any in the past. So you can select those backups and delete those backups if you'd like. In my case, I have turned it off. Otherwise, I can tap the show all button and then choose to remove those backups manually. So I can go to photos, turn off backup. I can go to iCloud Drive and then turn off the backups and so on. And this way I should be able to delete from iCloud on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.